all been given nicknames by your fans.
Right.
Yeah, I'm WWH Worldwide Handsome, you know?
That's so weird because that was my nickname at school.
그거 내 학교 다닐 때 내 별명이었는데 왜 네가 가져갔냐라고.
야, 조크가!
What other nicknames have you got?
I'm good boy.
Good boy. Jamie and I heard you're Mochi. Is that right?
모치?
Mochi? Did someone call you Mochi? Is that right?
You know what mochi is?
Yes, I love a mochi. I love a mochi. Mochi's like ice cream inside.
Yeah, it's like rice cake,
Rice
and ice
on the
cream
outside.
inside.
Yes.
Mochi!
Mochi.